Rialto Antiqua2 is a colored decorative plaster made up of seasoned slaked lime, high-quality aggregates such as white Carrara marble, colored earths, and natural oxides. Its formulation will allow you to make colored surfaces with soft and warm tones. The use of a particular dark stone provides an elegant rustic aspect while maintaining a high breathability of the masonry. Thanks to its contents of magnesium slaked lime that confers its structure and resistance, Rialto Antiqua2 lends itself to applications which require good workability and a high resistance to the atmospheric agents. Using the stainless steel trowel, we apply, on a support of mineral nature suitably treated, a coat of Antiqua2 about 1.5 to 2 millimeters thick. At this stage, it's not necessary to press strongly or to smooth the product. Small imperfections and defects of layout can easily be fixed in the following phase. Before fully drying, in a variable period of time based on ambient temperature, humidity, and absorption of the masonry, usually 10 to 15 minutes, we work with a sponge trowel to level the surface. The typical slow setting time of the air hardening lime allows for a wide period of workability of the product. This process will highlight the gray and black aggregates, which will confer an aspect that is elegant and moderately rustic. Rialto Antiqua2 can be used both alone, such as an only layer of colored finishing, or in conjunction with the siloxane veils Velasil. Wanting to get an aspect definitely veiled with colored tones naturally featured and overlapped, we can use on white Antiqua2. 2 coats of contrast veils, always completing with the lighter color. We apply with a flat brush and we absorb the excess material with a paper towel. It is useful, on particularly absorbent surfaces, to moisten with water to delay the absorption and to promote the fineness of tones. Apply preferably from the bottom up. Rialto Velasil should be diluted with water in a proportion from 35 to 50%. The surfaces treated with Rialto Velasil will show an excellent water resistance thanks to siloxane resins while maintaining a high breathability.